But when me treat her like a man, hey, you never have to cry. No, I know everyone can relate to when they find a special someone. She's royal.
Here you go, guys. So, Little Jamaica Street Festival, celebrating all things Jamaica, right here in the Little Jamaica community. And it's expected to have like, I think they say over 30,000 people for the event in 2 days. So this is day number 1. So let's see how it turns out. Little Jamaica Street Festival. For the entire family, for kids, for adults. Everybody's having fun. Yes, I think this is about the 3rd year that they're keeping it, the 3rd or 4th year, and every year keeps getting bigger and bigger. You know, this year there's like Tarrus Riley performing today, so that is going to be a massive thing. Man, the crowd is crazy already. Everybody's lining up to see Tarrus Riley, so let's go check it out. So if you have any doubt of Jamaica's cultural impact on Toronto, Canada, this is it. This is the 4th staging of the Little Jamaica Street Festival right in the Little Jamaica community here in Toronto, Canada. And for this weekend, the expectation was to be 30,000 people for the 2-day street festival. And from what I'm seeing right now, just today, Saturday, it's over 30,000 people just for today. So I'm sure for tomorrow, it will exceed 60,000 people. So this is it, Jamaica's culture on Toronto.
They don't recognize I've got so much to say, and I've never found someone, love someone so much that give them on everything. 'Cause I know I will be there when you need me. I will be there when you cry, baby. I will be there when you need someone to tell you that's a beautiful lady. Hey, I will be there when you need someone to run with. I will be when you need someone to die with. I'm your love and you're the beautiful baby. Let's talk. Take it up, Mella. I feel butterflies when I'm in your hands. You can turn the pavement into white sand. You can make a moment of memory in my plans. And I can't believe anyone else. Everybody's talking, always shining. Never stop listening, baby. And I never thought someone loved someone so much. Give a promise, yeah. I would be there when you need me. I would be there when you cry, baby. I would be there when you need someone to tell you that's a beautiful baby. Listen now, I would be there when you need someone to run with. I would be there when you need someone to dance with. I'm in love with got your own. I got your own. Hey, what she wants to be like, hey, the people on TV. Hey, she wants to look like now, the girls in the magazine. She got dreams, she got big dreams. To see herself on the big screen. She asked me to love me. I say I just fine. Absolutely, I love you just the way you are. Well, you don't have to time, you don't have to do what you know. If you put on a bone and if you take off a bone, trust the way you are. And if you wake up with no makeup, with no break up, trust the way you are. Well, in my eyes of a star, like, boy, she fit me, yeah. And then she give me a blanket, boy. Hardcore loving and a plastic. Now, I'm that big plans. When you come up, my wife, I must say. She said, oh, I didn't tell like about it. Woman, you're not bitches, nothing. I love you just the way you are. You don't have to change, you don't have to do what you do. If you put on a corner, if you take off a bone, just the way you are. And if you wake up with no makeup, with no break up, just the way you are. Boy, in my eyes you're a star. Hey, you got your own, I got your own. Whoa. Oh, natural beauty, you know. There, no, I never been someone's eye until I see your eyes, and then I had to try. Where you say Toronto? Let me get my words right, and then woman, me treat her like a man is. Hey, you'll never have to cry. No, I know everyone can believe. So when they find a special someone, she's royal. If you know pull it up, the people with us, or you feel it every time. Catalan lion. Oh, natural beauty, you know. One more time. Hey, no, I never been someone's eye. No, until I see your eyes, and then I had to try. Yeah, what you say? Let me get my words. You know me treat tonight. So, you never have to cry. No, I know everyone can believe. So when they find a special someone, she's royal. Yeah. Whoa, and I never knew anyone. So whenever